friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this week's video. This is very similar to the Starbucks video that I posted a couple weeks ago where we went through the drive-thru and tried all of your favorite Starbucks drinks. Okay, we had a little bit of a malfunction. I made a turn and we knocked one of the drinks over. Oh my gosh, this is a nightmare. I'm so sorry. No. Except this time, I'm gonna be trying every single thing on the fall menu. Fall mode is officially activated. I'm so excited, and pumpkin spice and everything cinnamon, all of it just makes me so happy. I just feel like my taste buds are in heaven, and the weather's starting to get a little bit chilly, so it's just gonna be so much fun. So before we go, I want you guys to comment below what your favorite fall drink is right now. Maybe it's on the fall menu, or it's just like a random concoction that you've discovered. I am looking for a new favorite fall drink. So drop yours below, and before we go, give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not, so you can be part of the best family ever. Let's go. We're on our way to Starbucks right now, but we can't do a Starbucks video without a special guest. So I'm on my way right now to pick up one of my friends. I haven't seen this friend in a really long time, so I'm super excited to introduce you to them. It's gonna be so good. We're almost there, pulling on up. Ladies and gentlemen, today's special guest is Jake Triplett, everybody!
Hi, hey,
welcome.
Hi.
Welcome to the vlog.
Should we like a car hug or?
Hi.
Just, I'll let you hug me, thanks.
Okay. Headbutt.
No, it's good to see you, good to see you.
Good to see
This is fun, thanks for picking me up.
Ready to go get some coffee?
Yeah, except I don't drink coffee that much anyway, and I already had coffee today.
Wait, do you not drink coffee?
I do. It's mainly just like socially, I like to drink coffee.
Well, this is social.
Perfect.
So I need to know, you don't drink coffee, but when you do drink coffee, what's your go-to?
I'm not even saying this just to be funny. Like when I go to a new coffee shop and I get a little overwhelmed by the menu and I say, hey, just give me like whatever like the basic white high school girls order when they come in here. Just whatever that is. And
I can totally see you saying that.
The baristas know. Like they're like, oh, white caramel latte or whatever. And I'm like,
know.
yeah, that's perfect. Whatever.
I love that. Have you had one where you're like, wow, this is actually great, I like this? Or is it every time you like it?
No, yeah, most of the time I do like it. Yeah,
so
it's just
funny.
I'm kind of just like a basic little girl with my coffee. Like I'm gonna need some like adjectives in my order. Like I need caramel or like white chocolate or you know.
Okay.
Are those
There's
adjectives?
like a formula. We need to come up with that formula of the Jake drink.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Is that like a big thing?
Drink,
Like
yeah.
girls? Oh yeah, what's her name? Charlie has a little drink.
People don't know you. Tell my friends who you are. This is Jake, you guys. Give them a little synopsis. A quick little snippet of who you are, what you do.
My name is Jake Triplett. I make a living basically like, you ever see those posters around town? They're like lost dog, like reward or whatever. Basically what I do is I will try and find that dog and return it to its owner and then like take the reward money, and you do that. A couple golden doodles a month is plenty to like make a living.
He's not lying. This is actually what he does.
So yeah, I can sniff out a beagle from a half mile away.
So
and
you have a lost dog.
Yeah, I'm probably your guy.
He's your guy.
Yeah. My dad was actually the one who, the movie Ace Ventura, it's actually based on a true story. Not a lot of people know that. It was about my dad, and he kind of passed the family business down. Pet detective.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, so when I'm not doing that, I make a lot of videos for the internet as well. Not really vlogging like this.
He's famous. He's being humble. Come on, Jake.
Come on, what are you?
Come on.
Come on, tell him about the Bronx. Tell him about your little haircutting business you do up there, huh? Tell him about it. Hey, I'm vlogging here. Yeah.
I'm vlogging our coffee day.
I'm vlogging
Leave
here.
me alone.
I have a podcast.
Go listen to his podcast.
A lot of people don't know this. It's actually, if you're a white guy in your 20s, you're like legally required to have a podcast. So like if I didn't, like I would be going against the law.
That's actually
so
true.
You feel like you know so many people?
True.
Yeah.
And I have a friend who just turned 20 who wants to start a podcast.
Yeah, it's like a rite of passage. Yeah.
Literally. Oh, that's so funny.
Look at this line for
Are you?
S-Bucks.
Everybody's getting the fall menu today.
I bet they're probably all vlogging too.
I need to, you know.
These are our competitors.
You guys, there's a strawberry cheesecake frappuccino. That has to be new. It's a strawberries and cream frappuccino with white mocha and graham topping. Have you seen that?
Oh my gosh.
That's definitely new.
Yeah, no, everyone's talking about it.
Savor the last sips of summer. Try our store favorites. This must be a specialty here at the Highland Starbucks. Strawberry Sunset Blended Lemonade. Are you joking?
This is like, how you're acting is how I act with like Chick-fil-A gets like a new menu item and everyone's like, okay.
This is a big deal. Wait, I know that we said we were just gonna get the drinks in the fall menu, but can we get those
But
too as well?
of course.
Thanks. Thanks!
Like I was like your dad there. How often would you say you get Starbucks drinks? Or how often do you go to Starbucks?
Not a lot. I usually only do it if I'm traveling or if I'm out of town. Like if I'm out and about. I don't just like wake up in the morning and I'm like, I need my Starbucks.
Oh, my box.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But it would make me happy, like one day when I'm married, if I woke up and my husband came in and was like, I got you coffee. That would be so sweet.
I feel like that's something entirely different.
Really?
But I see what you're saying.
You know what I mean? To be surprised with it. Are you okay?
Yeah, no, totally. It's so warm. I don't know how you're doing this.
Check out the fall menu right here. We've got pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin cream cold brew,
Whoa, this zooms in so slow.
and then the salted caramel mocha frappuccino. Yo! These sound so good.
Hey, thanks for choosing the Starbucks menu. Daisy, what can we got for you today?
Hi. Can I do you want iced or hot? Sorry.
Iced.
Iced.
Yeah, it's...
Okay, can I do a tall pumpkin spice latte iced?
Okay.
A tall pumpkin cream cold brew.
Okay.
Give me another face. Good.
And then a tall salted caramel mocha frappuccino.
Nice.
And then can we please do the 2 summer drinks that y'all have here, that sunset pink lemonade thing?
Yeah, sure. Give me
Nice.
one.
And then the strawberry cheesecake frappuccino. Awesome, thank you so much.
Yeah.
That was stressful. I'm so excited.
Hey, ask if the bananas are complimentary.
Awesome, thank you so much. Woot woot woot. Thank you so much. This looks like heaven in a cup.
I think we have different views of what heaven's gonna look like. That is not how I pictured it.
Woo!
Hey,
I'm so excited. Are we gonna do we should do all the fall ones first.
we should all fall ones first. Yes, that's what I was gonna
Unless
say.
Unless we do the fruities and then the falls.
Oh.
You know, like, should we end with the fall? Or should we start with the fall?
I think it's almost daylight savings time. Fall back. So, that's nothing with the drinks, but just like, hey, fun. Don't forget, set your clocks back soon, you guys. It's coming up. Easy to forget.
Let's start with the fruities. So we're gonna do the Sunset Strawberry Lemonade. I don't even know if this is a thing, but it was a special drink at the Highland Starbucks that we have here in LA. If you want to order it, I'll put it in the description box below.
I'm gonna be using this straw today.
It's a grande mango dragon lemonade, no mango. So why'd they say mango? It's
Seems like, yeah.
no mango, raspberry, add passion tango on top. That's really confusing. I'll put it down in the comments if you want to order this, but it looks very interesting. The very bottom of it is white and then it's bright red. I don't really know.
Did you say the word tango? Passion tango?
Yeah,
'Cause that's
passion
not
tango.
a thing. What's tango?
Passion tango.
I've heard of it takes 2
I
to
don't
tango,
know.
but it's not a fruit.
This is the strawberry cream frappuccino white mocha. Ask me. What? Graham on top. I don't know why she put ask me, but that's what my sticker says. All right, ready?
No, I'm not done mixing. It's not a homogeneous blend. Little science term. 11th graders out there now. Remember that vocab word from like science?
I do.
Yeah. Oh, white shorts. Stupid! Stupid. You said to be careful and I wasn't careful. Are you ready?
Cheers.
3, oh.
I really
That's
like
nice.
this. Mine's good.
If you had to compare yours to a song, what would it be? Mine tastes like Teenage Dream from Katy Perry. It's like very like fluffy and fruity. Not a lot of depth to it, but like fun. Makes your shoulders move.
Mine is the My Little Pony soundtrack theme song.
That is hard for me to comprehend. Could be because of the heat.
This is very good.
Do we switch now? How does this work?
Yeah.
This is my first Starbucks try on haul.
Oh, there it goes on my straw. So switch straws so you keep your straw. Take 2.
Oh wait, this is the one that you said is heaven, right? It looks like heaven?
It looks like heaven. I said
Wait,
it looks like
Looks like heaven, sounds like My Little Pony.
Oh, I like this a lot.
Teenage Dream.
Yeah.
You
For
see
real.
and hear
if
now.
I was a sophomore in high school, I would get this drink.
Right? It's so homogenous.
So good. Whoa. I think it's the Passion Tango.
Yeah, what is that, by the way? That they for sure just made up that word.
It's a tea.
Oh, tea and mango combined.
I know. It's an actual
That dude's from the
tea.
future. Sorry, you guys can't see
It's
him,
a-
but that guy from the year 26 who just walked by us. His sunglasses were so
It's probably
aerodynamic
Phil. It's probably Phil.
of the future. This one's pretty good.
Phil the future, y'all are probably too young for that.
No, they know.
I like this better than that.
I like this better than that. So that works
We
great.
make a good team. Let's move on. On to the fall. Grande salted caramel mocha frappuccino. Cheers.
And 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Whoa. I just stepped into Flavor Town.
Did you? Mm-hmm. I think
Welcome.
I waltzed into like a pumpkin patch.
Oh, that's lovely.
This one's nice. I mean, this is a good fall drink. Even if it's warm out and you get it iced, this is good.
The ice ones are the best. I've had that one before, I think. This is like ground up Oreos in a cup with coffee and caramel.
Oh.
It's like Willy Wonka in a cup on Halloween. Definitely pumpkin patch.
Right, and kind of a waltz in. You don't just
This
walk.
is like if you...
That one's better.
Yeah. No, I like that. Maybe it's because I've had this before, but the chocolate in that, woo!
It is nice.
I told y'all, if you want a new fall drink, it's not on the menu, but get an iced chai tea latte with pumpkin cold foam. It is like fall in your mouth. It's so good. So good. We didn't get that one today, but it's very good. We tried it on the last video.
Man, I can't wait to poop my pants later with all this coffee. It's gonna be so sweet. Interesting.
This is a pumpkin spice latte.
You know,
So basic.
I was just about to say though, I've never had a pumpkin spice latte.
You're joking. Then
Today's
you're
the first
taking
time.
the first sip. Done. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so glad that you are the first to witness the first ever pumpkin spice latte to enter the belly of Jake Triplett. How do you feel?
Well, I feel like I'm not giving it a fair chance because I've already had 4 other drinks. Like my tongue's all over the place right now. It's
Take a minute.
Are we in the clouds with Katy Perry? Are we in a pumpkin patch right
Close
now?
your eyes and just erase everything that just happened.
Okay.
Your eyes are open.
Oh.
Okay, do you need to cleanse your palate? We don't have any palate cleansers. Are you
Just,
ready?
lick the sidewalk
Pumpkin
or something.
spice latte.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh. I don't know if I love it.
You seem disappointed.
What did I have earlier?
The cold brew.
That was nice. And that had a little pumpkin in it.
Because this...
Didn't it?
Because it was cold brew with the pumpkin on the top. But this is like the pumpkin sauce in the coffee with the milk.
In the middle. Your turn.
Okay.
It just, I think it's, I would rather just it be flavored with caramel or chocolate than pumpkin.
You're right. This doesn't taste right. Let's
go back.
This does not taste... Change my order!
Let's go in line for 15 minutes again.
This doesn't taste like I remember it tasting. Is
little.
pumpkin spice latte your favorite drink? Because let me know. If maybe I just haven't had this in a while, but I like the other pumpkin variations better. It's like they took one of those pumpkin spice Glade fresheners and stuck it in the drink.
That's actually a pretty good description.
Yeah.
It's like very artificial pumpkin.
Yes, like pumpkin spice chapstick.
Yeah. It's like an oaky afterbirth.
Afterbirth?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's from The Office. It's a quote.
Oh!
It's sort of an oaky afterbirth.
What was that?
This is
Hey.
fun. What's next?
Thanks for guesting on my video.
I feel like I don't know how I did.
Oh my gosh, everybody go follow Jake. Listen to his podcast. He's amazing.
Thanks. You're really nice.
You're a star.
Thanks.
If you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that
Hey.
subscribe button and join the best family ever. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching this week. Bye.